Hey there! In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use the Budget by Paycheck template, step by step. Here's a blank setup tab. Let's fill it in together so you can see how easy it is. First, enter your pay frequency. We'll choose bi-weekly, then enter your take-home pay. We'll use $2,500 as an example for your paycheck period. The template automatically calculates your estimated monthly income, $5,416. Now start adding your bills: rent, car payment, car insurance, electric bill. Keep going until all your monthly bills are listed. The template assigns each one to the right paycheck automatically. Now let's walk through each tab. The Welcome tab gives you a quick overview of the entire template. It lists the 5 easy setup steps and includes a color guide showing how everything is organized. Here's the completed setup tab with your income, bills, and savings goals all filled in. The savings tracker shows your progress toward your emergency fund. 25% done, 15 months to go. Fixed bills are listed: rent, car payment, insurance, all assigned automatically from your setup tab. The remaining balance updates in real time. On payday, you know exactly what's spoken for. Paycheck 1 shows everything that's due from your first paycheck of the month. Paycheck 2 shows your second paycheck's expenses: internet, phone, streaming, gym, and subscriptions. It carries over any surplus from Paycheck 1, so you always see your true available balance. The dashboard gives you a complete picture of your monthly finances at a glance. Total income 5416, total planned expenses 5150. You can see exactly how much is left over. The pie chart breaks down spending by category: groceries, transportation, dining, entertainment. Use this to spot where you're overspending. Adjust your budget in the Setup tab. The debt payoff tracker helps you build a plan to eliminate your debt. Enter each debt: credit cards, student loans, car loan, with balances and interest rates. You get 2 payoff strategies. The snowball method pays off your smallest balance first, giving you quick wins to stay motivated. The avalanche method targets the highest interest rate first, saving you the most money over time. Choose whichever strategy fits you best. Your debt-free target date updates automatically. The subscriptions tab tracks every recurring charge: streaming, gym, memberships. It shows your monthly cost, annual total, and 5-year projection for each subscription. The annual overview gives you a bird's eye view of all 12 months. Spot seasonal spending trends and plan ahead for expensive months. Get the Budget by Paycheck template today. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.